Ah, mao. Mao di ay. Okay. Oh my god. Almost my birthday, guys. And I will be 45 this month. And I have party in Bigo. I have party in Bigo. Kano siya ama na Christmas party. December pa na. I do love. So nice. I wanna be forever young. So we're gonna get up and we're gonna bring our glasses. I don't understand this, guys. I have other glasses which is same grade and it's good, and this one is looks like blurry. I don't know what happened that they are same. Wilslav Mitrovic. Dude is a boy. Girls is a girl. Huh? Do you understand what is the difference with that? Pataka lang ka, ha? Pataka lang ka, dude. Anak na lang na siya. I will be forever young. Forever, forever young. Wala pa dyan ko ka-film sa ako ang pantyhose request, guys. Join my Patreon or OnlyFans. You can request for a customized video for pantyhose, for feet, something like that. I wanna be forever young, till forever. Happy Monday, Curly's Islanders. Our channel, no?